The Pentair WhisperFlo 2.6 horsepower can run on either 115 or 230 volts. This pump is designed for high head applications, offering superior performance and energy efficiency. It's perfect for pools with waterfalls, fountains, and other high head features. The robust motor and durable construction ensure long-lasting performance and minimal maintenance needs. The Pentair WhisperFlo is ideal for those needing a powerful, energy-efficient pump for high head applications. It's perfect for larger or more complex pool systems with features like in-floor cleaning systems, waterfalls, fountains, as well as for pools with longer plumbing runs that require more power to push water through, because after all, this is a high head pump. Visit aquapoolsupply.com or give us a call so we can help you find the perfect pool pump for your pool. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more pool care tips, installations, and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.